Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Torras Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. This time, I will be reviewing the Torras, or Torras, however you want to pronounce it. They call it their U-Pro case, but this is their OStand. A couple days ago, I reviewed, I think what they call like the T or L stand here, which is a great case. I've been using this one daily for the last week or so, but I reviewed that one. They sent me out this OStand, so I decided to go ahead and review it, and we will try it out today and see how it works out. You can get this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Like we normally do my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip action? How good is the fit? How strong is the magnet on here? Can you use the pen, while you have MagSafe on there? Just the normal things you look for in a case review. But nice packaging from them, pretty simple. If y'all want to pause that and zoom in, y'all can definitely do so. But let's see what you get in the box. So you get a little tray. It says, let's start a wonderful journey. So this one is a clear case, so it's going to show off the beauty. It may attract some fingerprints too, but it has this little kickstand / MagSafe in there. You could use it as a ring holder, but you can see why they call it the OStand. Let's see. Ooh, this is definitely going to show off the beauty, and it fits snug too. So the first thing you notice is how it makes your phone pop. I mean, that is beautiful. But the camera cutouts are very good. You have a lot of lip action around it. They could have came up with the pattern a little bit, make it a little bit more precise, but they didn't. And I do like how they came up here instead of having it straight across like some other cases. You get some lip action too at the top and the bottom. I wouldn't slam my phone down, but if you place it, you won't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful screen at all. I have a screen protector on it now, so it doesn't affect that either. Everything lines up at the bottom here. The pen is easy to get out. And let me find out the price of this case too, because I did promise some of my viewers that I will give out the price. So let me look up that really quick. At the taping of this video, it is at $35.99 for this case. And then you got different colors that you can buy. I think you can even get one that has like the frosted back too, but the clear one looks pretty good. So back to the video, let's try out the power button. Power button is nice and tactile. The vine rockers are nice and easy to press. Look at the profile from the side. It doesn't add bulk at all to your phone. The microphone cut out at the top there. Man, what y'all think? I'm liking this case so far. Let's see the overall fit. Pretty snug. I mean, a little loose around the bottom, but you have so many cutouts there. And then the sides fit snug too. And as far as the lip action on the side of the display, it comes up pretty much flat with the display. So there's no like protection from the sides. So I know that's another important piece that everyone asks about. Order some Wingstop today, y'all. But I love the profile. I love how it doesn't add bulk. Let's check out the kickstand. Look, it wants to keep on telling me order Wingstop. So you can keep the kickstand like this. You can do it like that. You can also do it like that too. And then, like I said, if you wanted to, you can kind of use it as a ring holder too. And one last thing too with the fit. Oh, okay. So trying to get it out of this case, it is hard. I mean, you can hear that snapping right there. Watch, snap. So to get it out of the phone out the case, it takes a little bit of work. And that is a very important piece of, you know, when you review a case for a phone, you want it so you have to work a little bit to get the phone out of it. So that way when you drop your phone just doesn't come and fly out the case. So that is a very important step. Let's check out and see how strong this magnet is on the back. So first thing is you can wireless charge. My phone is almost dead. The magnet is strong on there. The only thing that you have is the kickstand tries to come out too at the same time, but as far as the magnet strength, it is definitely strong. I know the other case, the Torras case, this one here, the magnet was really strong too. So if you want a strong magnet, get this case. And it's telling me to order more Wingstop. Can you use your S Pen? I don't think you'll have a problem. So Forbes, Tech, Reviews. So using my charger, having the magnet on there, I have no issues using the S Pen when it has the MagSafe on there. So let's just recap this case really quick. The buttons feel great, nice and tactile. The overall fit is really good. Everything lines up. You get camera protection. You have a nice little kickstand there that actually also acts like a ring holder. The overall fit, like I said, mentioned good. You can also use your S Pen while charging or using this case, so no issues with the S Pen. I'm gonna say the one complaint, I mean, this is with most clear cases anyway, is that it will attract fingerprints. I can see fingerprints on this case already. So be ready to wipe down your phone case if you use this one. That's why I like these types more, because the fingerprints is not as bad. But even on this one, you can see some fingerprints. But overall, this case checks off a lot of boxes that you look for. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.